Good morning, I'm Miss Hindali. I will be teaching you science this year. Hope you enjoy science with me, and now let's start. Whenever you travel to a different city or country, you'll find it extremely difficult to adjust it for a while due to changing climate or even new types of food. But after a while, your body begins to adapt to the new environment, and that would help you to feel better. Today's lesson is about adaptation, and now repeat after me. Adaptation, adaptation, adaptation. Adaptation is a special feature that helps an animal to live and survive in certain places or habitats. We have 4 types of adaptation: behavioral adaptation, structural adaptation, physiological adaptation, and life cycle adaptation. And now we will talk about structural adaptation. Now repeat after me. Structural, structural, structural. The first example we have for the structural adaptation is zebra. Now repeat after me. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Zebras have strips on their bodies to confuse some bugs' eyesight and avoid being bitten and getting sick. An experiment was carried out in the UK using a brown or black horses, zebra, and flies. It was found out that fewer flies actually landed on zebras. When a striped coat was put on horses, the flies landed on the horse's naked head. The second example we have for the structural adaptation is cactus. Now repeat after me. Cactus, 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 cactus. Cactus has thorns to help it not to be eaten by animals. Can you see the thorns when the cactus sneezes? I'm just kidding. The cactus is not animal or human, so the cactus can't sneeze. The thorns on the cactus body is not the only way that the cactus adapts. The cactus has another way to adapt. I think that's another story, but I'm gonna tell you about it. Cactus has very long roots that help it reach deep underground water. So we learned 2 ways that the cactus adapts. The next example for the structural adaptation is giraffe. Have you ever asked yourself, what does a giraffe eat? A giraffe eats leaves. And where can I find leaves? Leaves are part of trees. Okay, how can giraffe reach long trees? Don't think a lot, I'm gonna tell you how. The tall neck helps it to reach leaves of tall trees for feeding. And the next example for the structural adaptation is turtle. Now repeat after me. Turtle, turtle, turtle. Turtle shell protects it against its enemies. Turtle shell protects it against its enemies. Do you like Ninja Turtles? If you do, comment below and tell me. And the last example for the structural adaptation is freshwater habitat. Freshwater habitat. In the freshwater habitat, you can find water lily and lotus. Water lily and lotus. Repeat after me. Water lily and lotus. The first structural adaptation for water lily and lotus is that the top of the leaf is waxy to keep the water out. As you can see, the leaf doesn't absorb the water, so the top of the leaf is waxy to keep water out. The second structural adaptation for water lily and lotus is that it has big round leaves that float on water to absorb the sunlight. So, water lily and lotus have big round leaves that float on water to absorb the sunlight. They have big round leaves that float on water to absorb the sunlight. Okay, thank you for watching. If you need anything to ask about, just comment below, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.